Ian here from Lean Media. Today we're going to be talking about creating coupons in Amazon Canada. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me. Let's get started. So Amazon Canada works a little bit differently than the Amazon US. And I have several SKUs that I have shipped to an Amazon Canada fulfillment center. And now I'm going to create a coupon by going to advertising coupons. One other thing that's worth mentioning here, on Amazon Seller Central, because of the way that I have set up for selling in Canada, I have this as an option for accessing this particular feature. So make sure that you're set to the right marketplace up here and not, for instance, to the United States, which is where I usually work. So I'm on the coupons page, and what I'm going to, there's a couple warnings that you should pay attention to. Right now, there's nothing running, so I'm going to create a new coupon. So this is different than the way that the US system works, where you have to create the coupon, then you add the ASIN or the SKU at the end of it. In Amazon Canada, for some reason, they show you the eligible ASINs right off the bat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a coupon for this particular item. And if I wanted to, I could create multiple coupons for multiple items, or actually I should say a single coupon for multiple items that has the same savings on it, but I'm just going to do it one by one. So I'm going to do this pink item, let's just call it the pink item, and then click continue. And then you choose a start date and an end date. And notice that it lasts for 90 days. So what I usually do when I have a new shipment that arrived in Canada, I want to kind of prime the pump a little bit and get sales going. So I'm going to start it for, let's say just start it tomorrow. And then for the end day, I'll set it up to, let's just say the end of June, and then I can reevaluate. So right here, there's a discount. Enter the discount amount you would want to apply to the products you added to your coupon in the previous steps. So right now, Amazon Canada doesn't let you do percentage discounts, which is unfortunate, but I'm just going to have to roll with that. So what I'm going to do is set a discount of $5 Canadian. Now, of course, Canadian dollars have a different value than US dollars, so just be aware of that and the impact that it has on your margins and other costs. You can also limit redemption to one per customer. I'm not going to do that right now because I just want to get the sales pumped up, and then it explains how the budget will be worked. So there's the discount that you're setting, and then there's a redemption fee of 60 cents for each redemption. I'm assuming that is Canadian cents, not US cents. So, and then also you can set the number of units, 50 units, so that's no problem. And the coupon title. So I'm going to say $5 on, I'm going to professional genealogy sheets. Okay. There's some targeting options here. So you can do all customers or Prime members or student members. I just always do all customers. This is regardless of whether I'm doing it in the US, Amazon US, or Amazon Canada, and then click continue. So here we go. We have 78 units in stock. The list price is currently $39.99 Canadian. I'm going to have a $5 Canadian discount, and I'm going to submit it. So I'm going to go to the coupon dashboard. It's going to prompt me, do I want to create a sponsored product campaign? And no, I do not. So it's not here right now. The coupon I just created, I'm assuming it's going to take a little time to get approved or get going. But regardless, I'll come back to this page later on and check it out. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, if you go to leanmedia.org, that's my official website, click on blog or video. Lots more content about Amazon, Amazon FBA, selling online, Shopify, etc. Thank you so much for watching.